Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is essential. What does essential mean? Well, essential is an adjective, and at B1 level, it means very important or necessary. It describes something that you cannot do without. Think of things you absolutely need in your life. Those are essential. We often use essential to talk about things that are crucial for something to function properly or for you to survive. So, let's explore some synonyms. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. One synonym for essential is vital. For example, water is vital for all living things. You can see how we could easily replace essential with vital in that sentence. Another synonym is crucial. Let's use it in a sentence. It is crucial to follow the instructions carefully. See? Crucial is acting like essential, emphasizing the importance of the action. A further synonym we can use is necessary. We can say, a good education is necessary for a bright future. Again, it works just like our word of the day, essential. Another great synonym for essential is indispensable. An example would be, a good dictionary is indispensable for learning a new language. It's something you really can't do without. Let's look at some antonyms now. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. An antonym for essential is unnecessary. For instance, having a car is unnecessary if you live in the city center. Another antonym is optional. Attending the meeting is optional. You don't have to attend. It's not essential. Another antonym is inessential. We could say, decorations are inessential for a birthday party, but they make it more fun. In this case, decorations are not very important or necessary. They're just a nice addition. Another antonym is non-essential. Buying luxury goods is non-essential during a financial crisis. You can live without those things. It is helpful to understand both synonyms and antonyms as it will help you to expand your vocabulary and use it correctly. Now, let's consider how essential is used in everyday life. You might hear someone say, it's essential to get enough sleep. That means getting enough sleep is very important for your health. Or, imagine you're packing for a trip. You might think about what is essential to bring. Your passport, your phone, and some money are probably essential. Everything else is maybe a bonus. Here are some more usage examples. We can say, communication is essential in any relationship. Exercise is essential for maintaining good health. Having the right tools is essential for completing the job. It's essential that we leave by 3 p.m. to catch our flight. What are the essential ingredients for this recipe? These documents are essential for the application process. Customer satisfaction is essential to the success of our business. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your car running smoothly. Essential services like hospitals and police stations need to operate 24/7. Developing good study habits is essential for academic success. Let's look at some more phrases. You might hear the phrase essential oils, referring to concentrated plant extracts used for aromatherapy. Or you might encounter the term essential workers, referring to people who perform jobs considered necessary for society to function, like doctors, nurses, and grocery store employees. These are all common ways we use the word essential in English. In summary, essential means very important or necessary. We learned some synonyms like vital, crucial, necessary, and indispensable. We also looked at antonyms like unnecessary, optional, inessential, and non-essential. And we saw how essential is used in everyday life, from talking about sleep to packing for a trip. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English too. And now I have a little challenge for you. Can you create your own sentence using the word essential? Share it as a comment below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!